Eco-friendly roofs come with a number of benefits for homeowners. Not only because it's good for the environment, but it turns out that being eco-friendly can actually save you quite a bit of money. Today, I am going to break down all the roofing materials that are most eco-friendly. So, let's check it out. Not only do you get the reward of contributing to the environment by reducing your carbon footprint, but also you get the overall benefits. And one of those is saving money. For instance, some of them can actually be cheaper, save you on your electric bill. And of course, in some states in the US, you have tax incentives. So, what is the definition of eco-friendly? Eco-friendly means to have no or very little damaging effects on the environment. Basically, it's all about doing no harm to you and Mother Earth. So, any roofing material that uses fossil fuels or mined materials are not suitable because both come from an irreplaceable resource. So eco-friendly contribute to green living or practices that help conserve resources like water, energy, and also prevent pollution in the air and land. So what qualifies a product as eco-friendly? An eco-friendly product keeps both the environment and humans safe. At minimum, the product is non-toxic. This includes the use of sustainably grown or raised ingredients and products that do not depend on the ecosystem. For instance, organic ingredients and materials are grown without any toxic chemicals, pesticides, or herbicides. Products that are made from recycled materials such as wood, plastic, glass, or metal. Biodegradable products that break down through the natural decomposition, which is less taxing on landfills and the ecosystem as a whole. So, it's time to break down the roofing materials that are most eco-friendly. Number 1, wood shingles or cedar shakes. For a more classic or more rustic look, wood shingles are a wonderful option when it comes to eco-friendly materials for your roof. They are made from an organic material that is 100% reusable, biodegradable, and it can be recycled. Not only that, but wood shingles are actually quite durable and long-lasting. When maintained properly, their life expectancy is actually 30 years. Now, the downfall to this material is that they are actually a little bit more costly in compared to the other materials. Also, they do need regular maintenance to make sure that they don't rot, get mildew, or mold, or basically any other type of damage. Number 2, metal roofs. Another popular eco-friendly material is metal roofing, which can be made either from a new or a recycled metal. Now, metal roofs have reflective properties which bounce the sun rays off your roof, which simply means it keeps your house cooler and of course it makes you rely a lot less on your air conditioning. Now, what's so great about metal roofing is that they are actually an excellent choice and they are one of the most durable and reliable materials when it comes to roofing. They are an excellent choice for extremely windy, extreme heat, and snowy conditions. Metal roofs also have one of the longest lifespans that can even lead up to 50 years. With low maintenance, by the way. They come in a wide variety of materials and styles, making this a great choice for your home. The downfall to metal roofs is that they are one of the most expensive roofing materials, but they are definitely a great investment for your home. Number 3, clay tiles. Clay tiles is another eco-friendly roofing material that we highly recommend to consider. Beyond the fact that they are eco-friendly, they are also very energy efficient. Clay tiles are great because they allow the hot air to circulate as opposed to letting it accumulate or stay stagnant in your roof. They have also one of the longest lifespans out of all of the roofing materials. They are extremely popular for coastal homes because they are extremely durable and able to withstand harsh weather environments. The other benefit is that they are relatively low maintenance. Now, the downfall to clay roofing is that, like the other two that I just mentioned, they are on the higher price range. They are also quite heavy, so sometimes if the structure of your roof isn't solid enough, it may need extra reinforcement in order for you to be able to install clay tiles. Once again, they are a very popular choice due to their value and long-term investment. Number 4, slate tiles. Now, slate tiles are an exceptionally durable and long-lasting roofing material, as well as being eco-friendly. These sturdy tiles offer stunning appearances as well as being long-lasting and fire-resistant and low maintenance. This material, once again, is energy efficient. Slate tiles have similar downfalls to clay tiles in that they are quite heavy and that they may require extra structure support for your roof. Number 5. Solar. There is a reason why solar is becoming more and more popular. Solar is very eco-friendly and of course it will save you a ton of money on your electric bill. This is one of those products where you can get tax incentives and have them installed at zero out of pocket, which means $0 from day one. Now there are a ton of programs out there to help you go solar. So I have made quite a few videos on this topic. So I do recommend that you hop onto our YouTube channel and take a look to get a little bit more information about solar. Now, there aren't that many downfalls when it comes to solar, except for the fact that not every home can qualify for solar. And of course, the other issue is that you may not live in an area where there is a ton of sun. So, number 6, living roofs. For a truly unique eco-friendly roofing option, there is living roofs. Living roofs is where you literally turn your roof into a garden. Not only these are a statement roof that can help a home to stand out, but they are one of the most eco-friendly options possible. Living roofs can have a long lifespan, boost a home's thermal performance, and of course aid the overall quality of the area. Now, the downfall to living roofs is that they can actually cost quite a bit to set up, since the roof of course requires preparation for the weight of the dirt and the plants, and the home needs to be capable to handle the weight, which of course means that your roof structure may need a little bit of extra reinforcing. The other thing is that a living roof may require a little bit of maintenance. Even if most of the plants are quite self-sufficient, they might require watering and attending to. Number 7. OSB decking. When it comes to choosing the right material for your roof decking, OSB is the most eco-friendly. This material is made from chips of wood that are glued together and then hot pressed. It's very durable and reliable, and guess what? It's actually cheaper than plywood. The other great thing about OSB is that it's actually a lot more convenient because it does come in a wider range of sizes in compared to plywood. Now, the only downside to OSB is that it is a little bit heavier than plywood, so the installation may take a little bit longer. By the way, I have also made a video on this one, OSB versus plywood, so I do recommend you go and check it out for more in-depth information about this topic. Now, technologies are always improving and there is always new information out there, so I always encourage you as the homeowner to do your own research and see what else is out there when it comes to eco-friendly materials. I hope you found this video informational. As always, don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. And if you would like me to make any other videos on roofing or solar, leave a comment below and let me know what you would like me to talk about. And of course, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can always go to the description box below for more information, or you can go to our website. As always, have a good day.